Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Aveeno Calm and Restore Triple Oat Serum. I gave this 3 out of 5 stars, so it was just okay for me, but make sure you watch the whole review to see why. So this is a hydrating face serum, and for 1 fluid ounce, it's $17.97. So I still think pretty affordable as far as a face serum goes. This has a pretty average consistency, but I would say it feels a little bit thicker than other face serums that I've used. However, when I applied it to my complexion, it didn't feel thick at all. So overall, super comfortable to wear, and then it really didn't leave behind any sort of residue either. So that was really nice. The application is easy, I will say, and this is so minor, but I really don't like the dropper applicator for this formula. You really need 2 drops to cover your whole face and neck, and it's really hard to get more than 1 drop out at a time. So I know it's so little, but I just felt like I had to include that because I don't always love a dropper applicator. Other than that though, obviously apply it on clean, dry skin, morning and night. Like I said, you'll need 2 drops, and then once it absorbs, layer your other products on top. This one was super easy for me to incorporate into both my daytime and nighttime routine. It wore well underneath makeup, and the lacquer residue made it super easy to layer my other products on top. Dry time's about 15 seconds, so pretty run-of-the-mill, and then it's odorless, so nothing you really have to worry about there. I use this at night first. When I woke up the next morning, I didn't see any changes to my skin. I was a little bit surprised by that. I feel like oftentimes with hydrating serums, I see almost like truly immediate results after just kind of 1 sleep, but that wasn't the case with this serum. Long-term results, it does genuinely deliver on its hydrating results. It just takes a lot longer than a lot of the other hydrating serums I've used. And I wouldn't say there were extreme changes to my skin. Enough that I noticed it for sure, but the kind of wow factor of dewy skin and super hydrated and just healthy feeling and looking, it really wasn't there. It was really more of a minor change. One thing I will say as a positive note though is this is a super gentle formula. So if you are new to skincare or new to face serums, I feel like this could be a really great one to kind of start your skin on. So that is something that I did appreciate about this. So that's why I gave it 3 out of 5 stars. Obviously a ton of really great aspects to it, but for me, there are just a lot of better hydrating serums on the market. If you guys have used this, obviously Aveeno is a super popular brand. So if you've used this serum, definitely comment down below and let me know what your experience was with it. And then if you guys have other serums you're wanting me to try out, make sure you give me those ideas below as well. If you want to see my full review on this, visit us at FaceSerum.com.